The crypto markets woke up buzzing today, and XRP was right in the middle of it. Sitting above $2.86, XRP is showing strength while Bitcoin and Ethereum lag behind. But what is really fueling this momentum? Is it hype or is something bigger happening beneath the surface? Let's break it down. Institutional signals. BlackRock at Swell. 2025, one of the loudest signals came from New York, where Ripple Swell 2025 conference is taking place. Ripple Swell has always been an insider event for announcements and partnerships, but this year it is different. Why? Because BlackRock, the largest asset manager in the world with over $9 trillion under management, is a headline participant. This is not retail speculation. This is not a crypto influencer pumping coins on Twitter. This is Wall Street's most powerful firm stepping onto Ripple's stage. And in financial markets, appearances are not casual. BlackRock does not show up unless they see opportunity. Their presence alone boosts confidence that XRP is moving beyond retail trading and into the infrastructure of global finance. Technical foundations. Fractals and cup and handle beyond the headlines. XRP charts are showing something fascinating. Analysts like Javon Marks are pointing to a historical fractal, a repeating price pattern that mirrors XRP's 2017 setup, a move that preceded its legendary surge to over $3. Fractals are not guarantees, but they reveal psychology. The same consolidation, the same breakout structure, the same buildup of pressure. At the same time, XRP is printing a classic cup and handle pattern around the $2.80, $2.85 range. For traders, that is a bullish setup, often signaling a breakout. Resistance levels sit around 320 and 380. And if XRP clears them, momentum could accelerate quickly. This is not about hype tweets. It is about math, structure, and probabilities lining up with institutional signals. The supply dynamics, the quiet accumulation, then there's the on-chain data. In the past month, over 340 million XRP has been accumulated by major wallets. These are not retail traders buying a few hundred coins. These are whales and institutions quietly moving XRP off exchanges into custody. At the same time, overall exchange balances continue to decline. That means less XRP is available for trading. And when demand increases while supply shrinks, prices do not just rise gradually. They can surge violently. Think of it as a coiled spring. Tension builds quietly, pressure increases invisibly, and when it finally snaps, the move is fast and undeniable. ETF buzz. The next catalyst. Add one more layer. ETF speculation. Several firms have now filed for XRP-related exchange-traded products. Analysts are assigning approval odds as high as 87% for some applications in the coming months. Why does this matter? Because ETFs open the door for billions in institutional demand. Pension funds, retirement accounts, wealth managers, all the money locked out of crypto until now suddenly has an easy way in. Combine ETFs with Ripple Swell announcements, BlackRock's presence, bullish technicals, and shrinking supply, and you start to see the bigger picture. XRP is not spiking because of hype. It is spiking because the rails for adoption are being laid right now. The big picture. Zoom out, and today's move is not just about a $2.86 price tag. It is about momentum aligning on three fronts. Institutional signals, BlackRock stepping onto Ripple's stage. Technical foundations, fractals and bullish formations pointing higher. Supply and demand, whales pulling XRP off exchanges, creating scarcity. This is what adoption looks like before the headlines. Quiet positioning, strategic accumulation, structural signals building beneath the surface. By the time mainstream investors catch on, the infrastructure will already be in place. XRP will not just be another coin. It will be the bridge asset quietly powering tokenization, CBDCs, and cross-border settlement at scale. Final word. Today's XRP spike is not random. It is the convergence of BlackRock's signal, technical breakouts, whale accumulation, and ETF speculation, all happening against the backdrop of a $100 trillion tokenization wave that XRP is perfectly positioned to bridge. Most traders will not see it until it is too late. But here at LTL Productions, we are breaking it down in real time, because this is not just about watching a chart tick up. It is about understanding the biggest transformation in financial history, and why XRP may be the engine behind it. Like, subscribe, and share. And if you have not yet, check out our full documentary, The Tokenization of Everything: How XRP Powers the 100 Trillion Shift, available now on LTL Productions. This is not financial advice. Do your own research